PolyMax PC is an engineering polycarbonate filament combining excellent strength, toughness, heat resistance and printing quality. PolyMax PC can be applied to extremely demanding applications thanks to the natural strength of polycarbonate combined with Polymaker's nano reinforcement technology. This produces a filament that outperforms almost everything available in terms of fracture toughness, impact resistance and durability. Pair this with a very high softening temperature of 113 degrees and you have an engineering material which can operate in engine bays, production lines, jigs, fixtures, furniture or even 3D printer parts. PolyMax PC allows you to print parts that can function in critical conditions where resistance to impact and vibrations are necessary. PolyMax PC is the filament of choice for demanding applications.